Hi guys, it's Lauren here from Boutique Realty. I'm currently here at 3 Hillcrest Place in Flinders View. I'll show you guys through. So to the left of the driveway here we do have the front garden. Walking down the driveway you've got the single lock-up garage. Just inside the front door. So you walk into the front lounge room and entry area with a ceiling fan and a split system air conditioning unit. Through here you've got the single lock-up garage with external access onto the back entertainment area. So here is the open plan living dining room and the kitchen. So there is electric cooking here. Ceiling fan in the family room. And up the front here we've got the main bedroom with a ceiling fan. Through to the walk-in wardrobe with access to the bathroom. So there are cupboards here. And the shower. Over here you've got the vanity, wash tub and the separate toilet. This also has access through to the separate laundry area. So this cupboard here is just a normal linen cupboard. And directly across in this area we do have another linen cupboard. So this property is freshly painted with brand new floors throughout apart from the bathroom there. And does have some very newly renovated features. So here is bedroom number 3. Built-in wardrobe. Bedroom number 2. And I'll just show you guys outside. So you do have this decent sized entertainment area here with a cement pathway leading around to the other side of the house. So do have a gate there. It's a bit bigger than a pedestrian gate, but probably not big enough to get a car or trailer through. The rotary clothesline and the back shed. And don't have too much around this side of the property. So it's just a walkway and a hot water system with access from the laundry. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call on 0730504230. Thanks.